Well, Stella, you're going to reproach me. I know you're bound to reproach me, but before you do, take into consideration, you left. I stayed and struggled. You came to New Orleans and looked out for yourself. I stayed in Belle Reve and tried to hold it all together. I'm not meaning this in any reproachful way, but all of the burden descended on my shoulders. I took the blows in my face and my body, all of those deaths. You just came home in time for the funeral, Stella. And funerals are pretty compared to deaths. Funerals are quiet, but death? Not always. Sometimes their breathing is hoarse. Sometimes it rattles. Sometimes they even cry out to you, "Don't let me go!" As if I could stop them. But funerals are quiet, with pretty flowers. And oh, what gorgeous boxes they pack them away in. Unless you were standing there at the bed next to them when they cried out, "Hold me," you would never know there was a struggle for breath and bleeding. You didn't dream, but I saw. And now you sit there and tell me that I let the place go? How in the hell was all that sickness and death supposed to be paid for, huh? Death is expensive, Miss Stella. Yes, accuse me. Sit there and think that I let the place go. I let the place go? Where were you? In bed with your Polak.